Hi everyone, Kathy here with Buffalo Check Chicks. I want to come on and thank everyone for watching Dave's video, his little Temu haul. That was all his idea. It was really cute. So I got my watch and I love it. I put a picture that I had on my phone on here. I've never had a smartwatch before, but it's fun. It takes my steps, it takes my oxygen level, my heart rate, my blood pressure, all those things. And it lets me know when I get a phone call and messages and things like that. So it's really cool and it works really good. I think it was under 20 bucks for this. And I don't want to pay $200 for a smartwatch. So anyway, I like it. So what I've been working on is little bird nest because I was at Michael's the other day and most of their Easter stuff is gone. I mean, things like these holiday things go so quick. But anyway, so they had a few little bird nests left and they wanted $7, $6.99 for these little nests. So what I did is came home and I said, let me see what I have. I could make one. So I had this bag of grapevine little wreaths, and I found this whole bag at Goodwill years ago, and I wasn't sure what to really do with them, but I knew I'd use them someday. So I took these, and to make it a little bit more substantial, I glued them together, and I put a little Spanish moss in between, and I took some felt, cut out a circle, glued that on the bottom. You don't even have to do that really, but so anyway, this is how one of them came out. I put some straw, some raffia, whatever in there. And I put the, like I said, the felt on the bottom. I think it's super cute. I put some little Easter eggs, a little bird in there for Easter. And I made another one and I put it on this little plastic, I don't know what it is, some little decorative thing that I put in there. Look at how cute it came out. I'm paying $7 for a little tiny, a little tiny bird nest. So I found this little birdhouse at Dollar Tree, and it was just plain wood. I used the Waverly paint. Let's see what color this is. I don't know what color it is. It's brown. But anyway, I used that and I watered it down a lot because I just wanted to stain the wood. I didn't want it too dark. So, and what I added to it was this little wooden candle holder. I glued that on with wood glue and I painted that the same. I thought that was really cute. So what I'm going to do with that is make a little vignette using this little wood, I don't know if it was a little wood dish, but I found this at Goodwill the other day and I paid $1.18 for it. And I said, I know what I could do with that. I made a little riser. I used these little wooden knobs that I had ordered from Amazon a while ago and I had some left over. So I put those on the bottom with the wood glue for some little feet. And I'm going to make a little vignette using the little birdhouse with the little nests. And these little flowers I thought were really pretty. I had these in my stash. I'm going to add that in here. Wouldn't that be cute? If I had a little cloche or something to put over the top of one of these, that'd be cute too. So I thought that'd be a cute little Easter display. And also I bought these little foam eggs at Dollar Tree. And I've been painting those pastel colors here. I'm going to put a few of those in the little bird nest. And this is from Deco Art. Honestly, I don't remember where I got these. Could have been, I don't know if it was Walmart. Maybe it was Walmart. I'm not sure. But anyway, I have those too. And these are called Craft Smarts. That's a pretty, like, robin blue egg color. and then the yellow, and then this green. So those are the colors I'm using on the eggs. So yeah, I thought this was really a good idea to make my own little bird nest. And I got a couple more projects that I gotta get together to show you guys. All right, so what you're gonna need for this project is 3 bunnies. And I got these at the Dollar Tree. This one's missing its nose. That's okay. I'll fix that later. And I'm going to need some of these Easter eggs. I got the blue, pink, and the green. And I'm going to cut these off. Let me first show you. All right. So I need the glue gun. And I'm going to glue these bunnies' hands together. Maybe. I don't know if you could see what I'm doing here. So I'm gluing them together, trying not to burn myself. And excuse me. So also I'm going to glue their little feet together. So that they can basically be one piece. All right, so the hands are glued together. I'm going to take my cutters and cut off the stick, the eggs. I did see this project on another YouTube channel, and I'll link that below because I like to give people credit for their ideas. It wasn't my idea. So the blue ones out. I'm going to put the glue these eggs. On their hands. See if I can move this a little bit. There. So that one's going to go there. Let's see if it's going to stay there. So that one goes there. This one's going to go here. Let's hope that I'm doing it evenly. Kind of doing this upside down. Alright, another blue one. I'm just taking the colors and just going different colors in between. More glue. Oh, I got enough glue for now. I'm going to save these sticks. I always use these for different projects. Put this one here. Let's go again with the blue. This is blue, pink, green. I had enough. I think I have enough. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Alright, so doing the green one. I'm going to put this one over here. Put his hand right there like he's holding it. And put this in between there to hold those two together. I did this one different. Yeah. I'm gonna put his hand, her hand, whichever hand on there. And some more glue over here. And some more in between there, just to hold those together so it looks like it's a straight line. And glue strings all over the place. That's okay. I'm just going to add more glue in between to hold them together. I'll fix the glue strings later. Isn't that cute? I might need to add a little bit more glue here and there, but I love that. Super cute idea, and I will link her video below. It's cute and easy. I like cute and easy. Alright, guys. I'm gonna fix this one's nose, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a great weekend. Bye for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Just want to show you that I added little bows around their necks. I think they came out super cute. I added, well, I glued their ears together just right there and right there, just so that they stand up a little bit better. And I still got to fix the little nose. I think it came out really cute. Thank y'all for watching. Have a great day.